Hello everybody, today I'm gonna unbox a package. I had this package sitting here for a while. I was really hyped about it. It's one of my favorite designers. They make a lot of purses and wallets and stuff and merch for Disney and now Marvel, as well as Pokemon and some other franchises. They're called Loungefly. Yeah, let's get to this unboxing because I've been delaying opening it. I've been waiting for a while. Yeah. Here it is right here. Didn't want to autofocus. Alright, so here I'm going to open my Loungefly wallet that I got. Oh, got some paper packing in here. Oh. Oh, who is she? Oh, my receipt's not in here? I guess not. Ooh, it's pretty heavy actually. Wow. So let's take this bubble wrap out of the way. Bubble wrap and paper. Wowee. So here's the wallet. It's in plastic wrap. It's fairly big. I believe it's 7 inches by 4, I think, or 6 by 4. I believe it's 6 by 4. It's vegan, made of polyurethane suede-like material, which is pretty cool. Usually they're made out of like a plasticky fake leather, and that stuff tends to peel, or the paint on it tends to come off. However, the Eevee on it is made of polyurethane, so we'll see how the paint on that holds up over time and everything. But I thought this was like a really cute and really sturdy looking wallet. Like something that's going to last a long time. I have a lot of Loungefly wallets, but I don't have any that are like suede material. Ooh, that feels soft. I know I'm wearing gloves, but I can feel it. It feels soft. It's very nice. I like it. So there's the Pokeball tag. It says the brand on it and everything, and then we got the card or whatever enamel that says Pokemon and Loungefly, as it usually does. Some of them don't have it on, they just have it printed on, but this has the enamel. I'd like to do a video and show off my collection at some point, because I do have like a decent sized Loungefly collection. I've got knapsack, a couple purses, a couple wallets. I mean, it's not massive. I've seen people on YouTube with far bigger collections, but it's getting there. This is one of my favorite designers. So it's very sturdy. Oh, I like the color. It's very cute. It's like a very neutral color. Wow, this feels very like very strong and sturdy, and also kind of heavy. So on the inside, we got this tag, which I'm going to rip out because it's just blocking the cute little Eevees here, as you can see. Those little baby Eevees. So cute. And then it's also on the inside here. And you got a slot for cards. You can put like your ID card there. There's a lot of room for whatever other cards you'd put in there. I'm going to change over my wallet to this because I got myself a new purse as well that's also brown, so this will go together nicely. I did see they had another Eevee wallet that was Eeveelution's wallet, and it was like a light brown color with different colored printed Eevees on it, but it's not the same as this. Like this is embossed, which is really nice. And this is a stitched on, although this is printed on it. Hopefully it lasts, but the other design with the Eeveelutions, that one was actually printed on. So I was kind of like iffy about it. It looks really cute, but I just have a feeling it would wear off because printed stuff like this tends to wear off of fake leather. Because that's what happened on one of my Loungefly bags that I have, an Alice in Wonderland bag. I can show you guys when I do a haul, when I show off my collection. So yeah, that's the wallet. Very cute. I'm gonna pull this tag out or snip it out. I'm not sure. This is really big. Simulated leather, of course. Polyethylene vinyl acetate. Interesting. Not to be removed until delivered to the consumer. Well, I'm gonna remove it now. And also, I'm gonna remove this. This is my first Pokemon Loungefly piece. Uh-oh. So I gotta cut this? I can't save it like this? Oh wait, I can. No, I can't. It's tied on. Oh. Normally I save my tags because they're very cute as well. So I'm just gonna cut that off. Put that to the side. I guess I don't really need to save the tag. Why do I save random things like that? I'm crazy. I saved the tag for my Hello Kitty purse. Oh yeah, I forgot I had a Hello Kitty purse by Loungefly as well. So yeah, I have you. It's what I have the most of. Oh no, this is wrinkled. Wrinkled! Now I need to iron this. Son of a bitch. It's very strong though. What is this? It almost looks kind of like it's got fading to it in parts. Interesting. Very much like it though. It's got a nice little zipper purse. I wonder what the inside of that looks like. Oh, more Eevee pattern on the inside of the zipper. Nice. I like the little closure, little button too. The other one, the Eeveelutions one, just had a single button in between that goes like this. So I felt like this was more secure and sturdy if I happen to load it up with a little bit of coinage, because coins tend to stretch out the wallet. But yeah, I'm excited to switch that over. It's very cute. My first Pokemon wallet, yay! Close that. There. Hit that like button and subscribe, and check out my socials in the description below. I'll see you in the next one. Better late than never.